So now that I am all caught up on this Paris Saint early access system, it looks like they actually started this on August 2nd, according to their Instagram page. I did get a DM on Instagram from them today. It said, congratulations on joining. You're now on board. You can view all insight on how early access works on our story highlights. We're gonna see how it go, man. 30 seconds. Paris Saint early access right now. I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key getting kind of anxious, bro.
Let me get it dough.
Look. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Dub, aka Don't Wait to Create. Doing something a little different today, man. Yeah, let's get into it. Paris Saint Early Access. This service will bring forth quicker drops, and individual items such as unreleased item samples will be provided with a countdown leading to items releasing via Instagram stories. In order to purchase or inquire about an item, simply reply to our story. If you'd like to request a specific item you're in search of, please DM us. You are able to put yourself in line for one requested item at a time. So that's how it works. All right, with that being said, I just signed up for it yesterday. I am currently 3 minutes away from the early access. Yes, indeed. I'm on their page right now, less than 3 minutes away. A little more than 2 minutes, 2:15, 14, 13. I'm not gonna count it all the way down. Yeah, man, talk to me down in the comments section. Let me know, did you sign up for the $8 early access subscription? But this is my first time using it. Have you ever used this before? Yeah. What you trying to do? All right, less than a minute. We're gonna see how it go, man. 30 seconds, 20 seconds. I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key getting kind of anxious, bro. I'm low-key getting anxious, man. Let me breathe. 5, 4, Paris Saint, 3, 2, early access, 1, right now. Let's go. Now, what's going on? Now, what happens after this? What happens now? Do I get an email or something? Or what? So I just replied to their story. I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna see if maybe I got it requested. I don't know.
Bruh. Wait till you see the.
All right. So I guess they added me to their close friends. I'm in there. All right, so that's what it is. You get, when you pay for this subscription, you actually get added to their close friends. That's what it is. And then they let you know, okay, this is what we got dropping. So while I wait for some action on that, man, we'll talk about, hello?
Doing your podcast?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll call you later.
What up?
Nothing. I'll call you later. We'll talk.
Yeah, you done called now. What's up?
Bye. Finish your content creating.
All right.
All right. Love you.
Love you too. Okay, man. So here we go. Drop one access here. What we got? Polar plant. Man, come on, bro. I know this ain't what y'all. Ah, man, this shit weak as hell. Yeah, look at this what they got on the EA, bro. Hold on. I thought they was finna give me something. I thought I was finna. Man.
Got him!
Man, these looking pump fake, bro. Hold on. These motherfuckers got polar fleeces, the polar fleece sweatpants, the Parkers, no seam logo.
Bruh.
They did respond to me about my grill request, though. So let me see, bro. They responded to my grill request. Let's get it. Let me see. Oh, my bad. I forgot it did say one at a time.
Wait a minute.
So for grill requests, we only take them one item at a time per client. Which style and size would you like to reserve or place your line or reserve? What?
Hip? Hip hop? Hip hop anonymous? Damn you! You gave him the easy ones!
Which style and size would you like to reserve your place in line for? Damn, is the tee oversized though? Damn, do I want the hoodie or the tee? Because I want the tee because if you've been watching me, you know why I stay, you know why I'm debating on this hoodie. The hoodie just most special though, that's the only thing. Yeah, I'm gonna do the hoodie, I'm gonna just say the hoodie. All right, now if I was jumping the gun, my patience was, yeah, I gotta get my patience right sometimes. But yeah, so now, all right, now that I'm, okay, all right, I like it. I think I like it. Let's see what the response is to me telling them I want this hoodie in XL or double XL. Because I haven't seen a 2X anywhere. Everywhere I look, I only see an extra large. So I'm wondering, did they even make them hoodies in 2X? So just waiting to see what they gonna say. And yeah, so like I say, the drop, I guess this is why I don't know if they doing more drops today, because it just say drop one. Drop one was pretty trash, I ain't gonna lie. Not trash, because I mean, ain't, you know what I'm saying, it's still fire, but a lot of this stuff I can find in other places still. I know for sure I can find these the small logo tees, the other stuff. Let me see what the response is. Still no response on my grill requests. Cool. Even if I don't get nothing today, bro, I'ma still keep this subscription for a little bit just to see what else I could get out of it. But I'm gonna see what's going on, man. I like the fact that I can request a grill, and they'll at least look into it or make me feel like they looking into it. You know what I'm saying? No dubs yet. I'm assuming, bro, this not gonna be all they drop. I just don't know if they gonna drop more today, or I still haven't gotten a response. 23 minutes into this recording here, which means I got 7 minutes for the camera stop. Come on, Pass Saint. What y'all gonna do, man? On a side note, I know good and hell well, though, this ain't all they about to drop Tuesday. Tuesday, that's when they drop it. I know good and hell they better drop more than this, because this is weak. That's been 10 minutes. I don't know, man. I'm gonna probably end up talk about this in another video. I was hoping that they would respond to my request while I was creating this video, but they have not responded yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the next video, man. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit how this worked with this exclusive access stuff, man. And hey, do what you will with this information. Not saying that you should, not saying that you shouldn't, just saying it might be a good idea. Like I said, depending on what the response is that I get from this grill request, that's gonna really determine if I keep it. Also, the next drop. Like I said, this first drop wasn't really too spectacular, so yeah, I'm gonna wait for the next one, see what else they got. But I do like the subscription, so I think I'm gonna keep it for a little bit. Appreciate y'all for watching this. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know, did you sign up for the exclusive access, and did any of this stuff interest you? Probably not, because yeah. And did you put in a grill request? And if you did, what was the response? Other than that, man, your boy finna slide. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side, or the side that flips. Until next time, my good people. Peace, love, I'm gone.